Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out what happens when you burn cinnamon stick. So let's get started. Today I've taken a 3-inch stick of cinnamon. Make sure you go with good quality of cinnamon stick. Now let's burn this in direct fire. Before starting with this, you have to consider 3 things. You're not suffering from any pulmonary disease. You don't have a fire alarm in your room. You're not allergic to cinnamon. Once you confirm these 3, you can start with this. Fire the cinnamon in direct fire for 30 seconds and it will start to burn. Immediately pull out to get the smoke. This is very aromatic. You can spread the smoke in each and every room in your house. This aromatic smell lasts for 8 hours. This is a natural repellent for bugs and insects. You can completely get rid of the insects when you do this weekly once. This has a lot of health benefits such as it lowers your sugar levels, good for your heart and reduces anxiety. Once you start to inhale the cinnamon smoke regularly, it improves your digestion and helps in weight loss. It reduces your belly fat and purifies your body. This cinnamon smoke has the ability to naturally get rid of the bacterial spread in the room and keep it safe to stay. Many benefits in this cinnamon stick burning. So do try the cinnamon stick burning at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. To a mug, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds has a lot of health benefits. It's an excellent source of antioxidants known to boost the immune system and prevent conditions like cancer, heart disease and diabetics. It controls blood sugar levels, lowers cholesterol and fight against bacteria and parasites. It can treat diarrhea and very helpful for weight loss and improves your digestion. Then to this add 1 piece of cinnamon stick. Cinnamon has a lot of medicinal properties. It is loaded with antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, reduces the risk of heart disease, lowers blood sugar levels and protects against cancer. Then to this add 1 cup of hot water. Close and rest for 5 minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. It's been 5 minutes now, so let's open and check. The flavors of the cumin and cinnamon has come together very well. Strain and add it to a mug like this. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this cinnamon cumin tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. Then to this add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, mix it well and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink can boost your immunity. So do try this cinnamon cumin tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.